Doc!
Doc!
Doc, tomorrow morning I'm going back to the future with you.
No, it can't be. Just sent you back to the future.
Yeah, it's lovely, Doc. Listen, we're gonna load the DeLorean up and get ready to roll.
You've read Jules Verne. Jules Verne! Just like in Journey to the Center of the Earth.
Wait a minute, Doc. If I drive straight towards the screen, I'm gonna crash into the screen.
Still the safest plan. Marty, you're not thinking.
Yeah, I have, Doc.
1885 won't even be there.
Right.
I forgot to tell Marty when he gets back to the future, he needs to get DirecTV HD. The time vehicle which vanished in a brilliant flash of light, leaving a pair of fire trails behind. And so, Marty, I now say farewell and wish you Godspeed. You've been dog food to me. I never knew I could write anything so touching.
No, Doc, it's beautiful.
We can go when we want to, not as young and so am I. And we can dress freely from our hearts to our feet, that's a give me a Mountain Dew. Do it, Mountain Dew.
Shot in the back by Buford Tannen. Sounds like a wonderful way to spend my retirement years.
December 7th, 1941.
September
a date
7th.
that will live in
That's this Monday.
Buford Tannen was a notorious newspaper editor whose short temper and a tendency to drool earned him the nickname Mad Chinaman. He was quick on the trigger and bragged that he had killed 12 dogs, not including Indians or men.
Jules Verne!
I'm not saying all women can't drive. I'm saying there is a select population of small women that are multitasking in SUVs, and it's gotta stop. They're driving on the left side of the road. It's like they're in Great Britain. So I got these tanks, and they're going, and they run me off the road. So, you know, lady, you are driving the state of Louisiana in that SUV. Turn the wheel for the sake of the Lord. Turn the wheel. It's bonkers.
Oh, thank you, sir. You saved my life. I'm just a dancer. I'm looking for a partner. Don't want to see you anymore.
What kind of a do you call that?
Look, I'm gonna tell you like this. I ain't the one to get played by the women.
That's the way it was, me and Jennifer.
I get jealous, but I'm too cool to admit it. When the fellas talk to my girl, I ain't with it. I get jealous, but I'm too.
He'll shoot the fleas off a dog's back at 500 yards.
Ready to roll!
I don't even remember how I got home.
The DeLorean. The sleek, stainless steel DeLorean.
What kind of a future do you call that?
Live the dream. Drive DeLorean today.
Give him more gas! Range! Is this a holdup? It's a DeLorean!
See you driving round town with the girl I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough. I'm like, forget you, and forget her too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be richer. And although that's pain in my chest.
Marty, that dream I had is so It's about the future. About us. And you got fired.
These are our boys! Great! And gone!
Now it's a race.
Of course it's a race!
But what does that mean?
It means you're both of you! Stand back! All right, boys, buckle up! No,